Hi, we here have an Microsoft Excel dashboard that is being updated from the various worksheets listed here. The data is coming from them. We have a look on the dashboard. There the company names means the sheet names. Here same under the tasks. Here we see the home company, but we don't have any task under it, so it is kept hidden from the dashboard. Here we see various filters: status filter, company, completion, priority, and that is by due date. In the R task I have listed, I have one task that is due in the month of March. I click here, I see which one. The MROC company has one task that is in progress. I clear out filters here. I check how many tasks are due in the February. Many of them, of course, with different status in progress. This is not started. Two of them are complete. I here apply various filters. The tasks only here is multiple select option. I have removed it from completed tasks, in progress, and now started tasks are being shown here with two status. I cleared out the filters. Here is company filter, addition. We have 4 tasks, 3 in progress, 1 is not yet started. Among of the in progress tasks, we have the following percentile of completion: 25% tasks, 2 tasks which are 25% accomplished. Here we say priority, one task that is low priority, that is completed and was under MROC hardening. That is our low priority task complete. This one we can remove this filter as well. Filter remove from here to multiple select. We can toggle this button, enable, disable. We can better visualize the multi-select option here. I omit addition from here. I omitted new go from here. I omit MDoc as well. I want to see only CSR and Pithara here. We here see. We can quickly toggle and remove the filters, or we can still toggle addition to add and display here. This is multi-select option, and we can toggle list from here. This is applicable to any of the tasks. I clear out filters and show everything of them. Now I think it is enough for the dashboard. Let's talk about some other management. Update dashboard. However, it is not recommended to update manually any of the record, because you have very robust form available to manage this all, but still you might need it at some phase, so I manually update it. It is not reflected here until I update the dashboard. You see the one task that is deferred is under CSS tab, that is completed. We restore it to previous state, we update it again. Okay, we are done. Here we see another button, that is task management. You notice that background is changing with the options. I select the selected fields are changed, that is kept intentionally, because you can visualize what you are going to add, edit, or delete. uh, don't make you blind. You can still able to drag it around and see this task is currently being selected. You can opt deleting this, uh, or it will show you a critical warning: record will be deleted permanently. Are you sure? No, I don't want to. uh, okay. Here, first we see an intro of the fields available here: company title, task description, priority, task. You see the same as our table heading, so it is pretty much clear what it indicates. So we go through a practical demo. I select Edison tab. It says to Edison. You see here 1 2 3 4 5 records available. 1 2 3 4 5. I want to select park them from 5. Okay, that is in progress. I see everything here. That is good. Now basically this is now allowing me to add new task. We see the button add task here. I add task here. It has for validations 3 validation errors. Required fields you must choose. Description is required. Start date is required. So that are kept marked as required. The form will not let you enter any of blank data for this. However, rest of the fields are optional. If you have a data, better to enter it. Then we see task description. Same, whatever the task, priority, status. We have drop down here. Quickly select completion milestones, start date, due date, and additional notes. Further, we can see here is additional fields. While adding, I add one task to home. A practical demo for that. We see the task list is empty previously, so we are unable to select the empty. My task 1 under home company. Priority is high. Status is in progress. Percentile is 25. Here we see some additional fields which are not a part of our table, but that are better for entering data entry purpose, quick data entry purpose. That is, select a date. Here the current date, most probably we are adding, if we are adding a task today, the start date is possibly the current date. I can see the 30 days plus of the current day. Let me start it on Monday. I select this date and update, and that is here. Here we can also manually type, but it detects is it a valid type. I can directly type March 15 2019. It will convert it to the default our date style. We can either add it using slashes, that is even convenient. The most amazing thing I have added here, because of the getting out of the typing rate, I have 15 days to accomplish this task from the current date. I select how many days, how many months. Currently there are 12. If you need more than 1 year, so you can manually edit the date, stay date is valid. I add 15 days to the current task start date. So uh, for the time I add 10 days, so that we can see that it becomes 28th Feb 2019. It is I add one more month. I want it by 28th March. Get it? Okay. If I have any notes, I can enter test notes for the current task. Here you see the checkbox indicating retain form data. It means if I have some uh, repetitions of tasks, same days, same progress, or anything, it simply won't clear out your fields after adding the task. I keep it saved for my adding the next task. I click add task. You see it filled it out, and sorry, uh, okay, let's look at this later. Now we see how we can edit or update our task. So this task is falsely updated. Here I want to update it with the right days, right time, or that is progress updated to 25%. I update it, progress is 50%. Sorry. Here we see the task. When we select this change to update task, mean this is not adding this as new task, it is strictly updating the selected task. If I reset fields, it is treating the new data as a new task. Still we are adding new tasks. If I ask the system to choose my previous task, so you have only their options updating a task, or you may delete this one. I click delete task. It asks me whether I am sure to delete. I choose yes, and this will remove. Moreover, our current state of the dashboard is, as we see, we have 5 companies. This has, because no task listed, it is not present here. Now I need to add one task, test one, priority high, not started, sorry, in progress, not started, current days, add 5 days of the current test note. So form data is retained. I want to add a task to node 2, and I this time not retaining the form data. I add task, and the form data is cleared, and you will see the same is updated here on our dashboard. Here we see the our home sheet has 2 tasks in progress there. No, now I don't want the tasks. I delete them. I again, because deleting is crucial, so we are not retaining the form data, so that to avoid accidental deletes. I go there to dashboard. I see whether home is disappeared from here, and you can see it is. We have the current state of the dashboard here. Hope this video helps you out in operating the application well. Feedback are still welcome. Data is already asked by the application to save after every update, so you don't need to think whether your data is saved or not. That is automatically saved when you perform any action using the form. So it's pretty much okay. Your suggestions are welcome. I appreciate, I like improvements, and there are always possibilities to improve for improvement of systems. Thank you very much.